In this video, I'm going to go over our content editor. Now, for the most part, it's very straightforward, but there are a few things that aren't so obvious. I'll use this About Us page as an example. First thing you want to do is simply click Edit Section, and you'll see the editor pops up. On the left, going from left to right, there's an option to change the from paragraph to a heading. All the standard features you'd expect. You can change color, you can change background color or highlight color as well. Lists, indentation, or sorry, not indentation, but alignment. You can also add links to the system, images, tables, and shortcodes. There's also a overflow menu, which I'll get into here soon. I don't cover tables or shortcodes in this video, but I have another video that goes over these. The first thing I'll note is a simple trick when you're editing content. And what will happen is if I'm editing this paragraph and I want to go to the next line, you'll note that it creates a new paragraph. There's some extra space here. If you don't desire that, you can simply push Shift while you push Enter, and it goes to the next line, and you can start typing just like that. Okay, for the next thing, I want to cover full width images. So let's say that I have an image, and I've uploaded one previously, that I want to put in here. Okay, this is an About Us page, so I've got this team image. If I save this, you'll see that it has a margin like everything else on the left and the right. If that's not desired, there's a quick way I can to adjust this. I can click on the image, click the image icon, and there's a class field down here. Just change that from none to full width. Okay, if I push save, you'll see that it bleeds all the way into the margins. All right, a couple more tips. Videos and testimonials or quotes. So first thing I'll do, I'm going to show you how to add a video. I simply go where I want. I'll click here, and it asks me for a source. It's super easy. Just grab wherever your video is hosted. You can just grab the URL, and I have a sneaky squirrel for our example. I'm going to grab this. Make sure I got that. Copy, paste it in, push save. Just like that, it's there. And your prospect can play the video right in the proposal. Okay, last thing I'm going to do is create a quote. So let's say that you want to do a testimonial. Maybe you have a testimonials page and you want to make it look a little nicer. So first thing I'll do is left align, and I'll say service was great, Johnny customer. All right, so I'll select that, and I'm going to make it italic, and I'll also change the font color a little bit just so it feels a little different. I can then go here, and I'm going to click on this quote option. I could put quotes around it to make it a little bit more obvious. And if I wanted to, I could even make the font bigger. So you see, just like that, I have a nice quote that stands out from the rest of the content. All right, last thing to note on here, you can do a horizontal rule. So if you want to divide your content, you can do that. There's special characters option. You can control line height, indentation, and then you can also remove formatting with this button. Finally, there's a full screen view if you want to have a little bit more of a focused, distraction-free environment. All right, as I mentioned, editing content is fairly straightforward, but I hope you found these tips helpful.